Welcome to my channel, Diltree Cuisine. In this video I'll be showing you how to make quick and easy Hakka noodles. Firstly, in a pan, boil the noodles or linguine in water, add salt and a little oil. In a shallow pan, add the olive oil and let this heat up. Then add the onions and saute this until the onions start to become golden. Now add in the ginger, garlic and green chilies. Saute this for 1 minute. Now add in the mixed vegetables and saute for 2 minutes. Now add in the soya sauce and the chili sauce and the tomato ketchup. Stir the sauces through the vegetables and saute for another 2 minutes. Now add in some black pepper to taste. Now add in the noodles or linguine and mix this thoroughly through into the vegetables. Cook this on low heat for about 5 minutes and your Hakka noodles will be ready. After 5 minutes, your Hakka noodles are now ready. Serve in a dish and garnish with coriander. Enjoy your Hakka noodles. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.